structures being put in place.
In the quest to widen its reach and deepen its interaction with all sections of the population, the Capital Markets Authority has signaled its intention to embrace Islamic products.
The authority is particularly keen to see the takeoff of a market in Islamic capital markets products, given their very strong correlation with infrastructure financing, which undoubtedly the nation is in very deep demand for.
For Mutaura, the rationale for this policy shift is rooted in global trends which have seen a surge in trade volumes in the Middle East and across the Gulf states over the last decade.
We're also very conscious of the fact that geographically, Kenya, for one, is very close to the Gulf, which is a very significant center for Sharia-compliant investment. And we have quite a substantial and, to some degree, wealthy Islamic community within the country who we want to ensure that we are catering for effectively.
With the ongoing reforms in the capital markets in the country, there is a lot of information which the public needs in order to become financial savvy, but which most people lack because of ignorance. This 3-day open forum and exhibition is meant to address that information deficit.
It is indeed very true that while so many of us are educated, so few are literate in functions, mechanisms, and benefits that can be derived from the capital markets.
Speaking of reforms in the capital markets, one which has been in the pipeline for more than 2 years now, but which is yet to take off, is the introduction of real estate investment trusts. I sought to find out why the realization of such a noble idea has become protracted.
The heavy pressures that the National Treasury has had in the transition to the devolved system, as well as the new restructuring of government, that has been one of the challenges in time.
In the last 2 years, the financial intermediation sector has been the fastest growing sector in the economy.
Because I want to ask you.
Alex Mwangi, NTV Business.